Alkanes. The saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons are called as alkanes. These are the simplest hydrocarbons, also called as paraffins, due to their low chemical reactivity. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. In alkanes, all the 4 valencies of carbon are satisfied by 4 atoms or group of atoms. They contain carbon-carbon single covalent bond and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. Coal, natural gas, petroleum are the major sources of alkanes. Structural formula. The formula that gives the exact arrangement of the atoms of different elements present in the molecule of a given compound is called a structural formula. Structural formula and electronic structure. Methane, CH4. It contains 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms in its molecule. The carbon atom is bonded by 4 single covalent bonds to 4 hydrogen atoms. The covalent bond is represented by dash. In formation of methane molecule, carbon atom shares its 4 valence electrons to 4 hydrogen atoms. Thus, carbon completes its octet while hydrogen completes its duplet. Ball and stick model of methane. The table showing the ball and stick model of methane and ethane is given. Carbon atom in organic compounds. Primary carbon atom. It is attached to only one other carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. It is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom. It is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Quaternary carbon atom. It is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. Classification of alkanes. Alkanes are classified as straight chain alkanes and branched chain alkanes. Straight chain alkanes. The alkanes in which all the carbon atoms are in a straight continuous chain are called straight chain alkanes or normal alkanes. N. For example, N-butane, N-pentane. Branched chain alkanes. The alkanes in which all the carbon atoms are not in a continuous chain are called branched chain alkanes, or alkanes in which one carbon is bonded to more than 2 other carbon atoms are called as branched chain alkanes. They are classified as isoalkanes and neoalkanes. Isoalkanes. The alkanes which contain one carbon branch CH3 attached to the second carbon atom of a normal chain are known as isoalkanes. For example, isopentane. Neoalkanes. The alkanes which contain 2 carbon branches attached to the second carbon atom of a normal chain are known as neoalkanes. For example, neopentane. Isomerism. The compound having same molecular formula but different structural formulae are called isomers of each other, and the phenomenon is called isomerism. Chain isomerism. Isomerism, which arises due to difference in the structure of the carbon chain, is called as chain isomerism. For example, N-butane C4H10 has 2 isomers, N-butane and isobutane. Pentane has 3 isomers, N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. Nomenclature. Alkanes are named by 2 systems, common system and IUPAC system. In the common system, alkanes are named on the basis of their source or their properties. IUPAC system, that is, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry system. Rules used in this system are as follows. The longest continuous carbon chain is selected as the parent alkane and compound is supposed to be the derivative of that alkane. The carbon chain is numbered from that end which is nearer to the side chain. The group or radicals attached to the longest continuous chain are named and their positions are indicated by number of the carbon to which they are attached. If there are more than one branched chains present on the same carbon atom, the number of carbon is repeated for each side chain. Alphabetical order is used for entering the radical names. When two or more substituents are identical, indicate this by the use of prefix di, tri, tetra, and so on. While writing the complete name, a comma is put to separate a number from number and a hyphen to separate number from letter. For example, 3-ethyl-2,5-dimethyl-hexane. Methods of preparation of alkanes by hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkene and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes react with hydrogen in presence of finely divided nickel or platinum as catalyst at about 523 K to 573 K to form corresponding alkane. Thus, by addition of hydrogen, unsaturated hydrocarbons are converted to saturated hydrocarbons. For example, ethene is converted to ethane. Ethyne is converted to ethene, which is then converted to ethane. By decarboxylation of carboxylic acids. When sodium salt or fatty acid is heated with soda lime, a mixture of NaOH plus CaO, an alkane is formed. Since in this reaction carboxylic group is eliminated from a fatty acid, it is called as decarboxylation of fatty acid. For example, sodium salt of carboxylic acid plus NaOH gives us an alkane plus Na2CO3. By reduction of alkyl halides. When alkyl halides Rx are treated with reducing agents like zinc and HCl, or zinc and copper and alcohol, or aluminium and mercury, they undergo reduction and an alkane is formed. Alkyl halide is converted to alkane. By Wood's reaction. When alkyl halide is treated with active metals like sodium or zinc in presence of dry ether, higher alkanes are formed. This is known as Wood's reaction. Physical properties. The first 4 members are gases at room temperature. The next 11 members, C5H12 to C15H32, are colorless liquids, while higher alkanes are solids. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, benzene, etc. The melting point and boiling point of alkanes increases as the molecular weight increases. These are covalent compounds and bad conductors of electricity. Chemical properties. Halogenation. The replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms in alkanes by halogen atoms is called as halogenation of alkanes, and the compound obtained are known as halogen derivatives of alkanes. Halogen reacts with alkane at room temperature in presence of diffused sunlight or ultraviolet light. For example, methane plus chlorine gives chloromethane. Chloromethane plus chlorine gives dichloromethane. Dichloromethane plus chlorine gives chloroform. Chloroform plus chlorine gives carbon tetrachloride. Nitration. replacement of hydrogen atom by nitro group -NO2 is called nitration. When alkanes are treated with concentrated nitric acid at about 673 K to 773 K, nitroalkanes are formed. For example, C2H5H gives nitroethane. Pyrolysis. When alkane is strongly heated, it splits into smaller alkanes and alkenes and hydrogen. The thermal decomposition takes place by two ways: dehydrogenation and cracking. Dehydrogenation by fission, rupture of the C-H bonds to form an unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene and hydrogen gas. This process is known as dehydrogenation. For example, propane gives us propene. Cracking by fission of C single bond C bonds to give simpler hydrocarbons such as one alkane and one alkene. This is known as cracking. For example, butane. Combustion. Alkanes are highly combustible. They burn in air to give CO2, H2O and large amount of heat. Therefore, alkanes are used as fuels. Complete combustion, incomplete combustion. Use of alkanes as a fuel. As alkanes have high heat of combustion, they are used as a fuel. LPG is a mixture of liquid propane and butane and is used as a domestic fuel. Petrol, diesel are also used as fuels. Propane is used as a refrigerant. Solid alkanes ranging from C20 to C30 are called as paraffin. The wax used for preparation of candles, ointment, etc. is this paraffin wax. Liquid alkane ranging from C5 to C7 are called petroleum ether, which are used as solvents. Alkanes ranging from C17 to C20 are used as lubricants for machines. Methane is used as a source of carbon black, which is used to prepare printing ink. Methane is used for the preparation of methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Alkanes are also used as a source of hydrogen.